Sound the alarm. Si nimekaa mkuu show niko na baba juu mbinguni, so sita babaika. 3 in 1 amenitatulia ngori zangu, and that's why staki kulia wala kushoto. Wema wake si kama post za Instagram, his goodness is unfiltered. Even in silence his goodness speaks the loudest. Nasema wema wake si kama post za Instagram, his goodness is unfiltered. Even in silence his goodness speaks the loudest. Amenifanya kuwa salt of the earth, and that's why na testify. Si hata watu wa butchery hukam ku meet na yeye. Doesn't matter nikuwe chini juu ama nimeketi, bado nitam understand. Even in my loss I still keep his love. Hata nikikosa kila kitu bado nita give thanks. See the enemy thought I'll die, but nywele ndio tu nilipaka rangi. Walifikiria I was buried, kumbe I was planted. The same God who parted the Red Sea is the God who will part your seas of uncertainty. Na so ndo maana nimekaa mkukusho, don't give up, give it up to him. Don't be worn out, weird and in tears. Don't lose your path, cause his road comforts you. Even if you lose your things, his stuff comforts you. Today you might be a dreamer, but tomorrow you will be a prime minister. Doesn't matter whether you are stammerer, you are chosen by God. Doesn't matter kama wewe ni godi gaidi kama Paul anaweza kupul kwake. Doesn't matter kama Robert ni robara anaweza kuwa in paradise na yeye. Doesn't matter whether I look cheap, I was bought on a heavy price. Doesn't matter kama wewe ni wa Kilifi, Malindi ama Mombasa, you are bought for a high cost. Si wema wake si kama post za Instagram, his goodness is unfiltered. Even in silence his goodness speaks the loudest. Na hii itakuwa story yako siku moja na wataiita history, na that's why unafaa kuwapea hii story.